In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Klaviyo subscription with ease and confidence. Whether you're looking to switch services or simply taking a break, knowing how to efficiently manage your subscriptions is crucial. Let's dive in and walk through each step together to ensure a seamless experience. We begin by navigating to the Klaviyo homepage. This is your main hub, where all the magic starts. From here, let's locate your profile icon, which you'll find nestled on the lower left corner of the screen. It might seem like a small detail, but this icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and customizations that Klaviyo offers. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, the next move is to venture into the Settings section. This area is where you control most of the fundamental aspects of your account, and it's often where you'll find any subscription management options located. Now, within Settings, you need to identify the Billing option. This step is crucial, as Billing holds all the key information regarding your financial commitments with Klaviyo. Whether you've upgraded your plan, added new features, or want to view your invoicing details, everything you need is centralized here for easy access. Next, proceed to click on Change Plan. This option allows you to review your current subscription and any potential modifications you might want to make. Even if you're just curious about different plans or considering downgrading, this button is where you start. Now, if you have an active subscription, you'll see the option to cancel from this section. It's worth noting that the visibility of the Cancel button may depend on your current subscription status, so ensure you're properly logged into your active account. Once you've clicked Cancel, Klaviyo might ask you for feedback or give additional prompts to confirm the cancellation. Following through these prompts, make sure to read any notifications carefully. They might contain essential information about what happens to your account data or how cancellations might affect your remaining billing period. Lastly, always double-check your email for confirmation of cancellation, as this is an important step to ensure that your request has been processed correctly. It's also a good idea to save this email for your records. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling your Klaviyo subscription. Remember, managing your digital tools efficiently can save both time and resources and helps keep you organized and in control. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. See you next time, and have a wonderful day.